Now guys, let's go on to the quick shortcut, locking all objects or releasing or hiding. Let's see how it works. So say I've got here some objects, let's just make those more interesting, and I'm duplicating, just holding down Control Command D by the way to go over the same action. And let's just change some of those colors. Okay, now say I want to choose only this one and I don't want to get confused or to touch this or to select that by mistake. You can always choose an object and press Control or Command 2. The number 2, that will lock that specific object that you chose. Now I can easily choose only this one and I won't need to worry about touching that. As you can see, these are still selectable, if that's a word. If you want to lock all objects besides for the selected one, so say I have all of them there and I don't want to select any of them besides for that gray one. Now I'm choosing this one, Control Shift Alt 2, that will lock them all besides for the chosen one. You can see I can't select anything else. Then if you want to only that one, if you want to release all of them, then you press Control Alt or Command Option 2, that will release them all. Now we may also sometimes want to hide an object. So say I'm showing it to a client and I don't want him to see these other elements or objects or whatever the case may be. It just makes it simpler sometimes. Then you can always press Control or Command 3, that will hide that object. The object is still existing, so you can't really change anything to it, but it still does exist, so you have to be careful with that sometimes. If you want to hide everything besides the selected item, then it's basically the same. You press Control or Command Shift Alt or Option 3, that will hide them all besides for the selected object. And to bring them all back again, you press Control Alt or Command Option 3, that will show all your elements once again. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on the video. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe. And don't forget to put down any of your questions, comments, ideas, or anything you want to say at the comments below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.